Hello everyone, so this will be an update on my Bissell Powerforce Helix Turbo Model 68C7. This is just a little update on progress of it. So I have a red turbo brush on it now. I just had a Bissell Momentum turbo brush I had years and years ago. Put some red parts on it, now I got a Helix turbo brush. Still has all the attachments. The only thing I didn't have was a turbo brush. That's the only thing it's not original. I am getting another 68C7 hopefully in the next couple weeks. This is model 68C7. Picture that. 268 day 2012. And I also wanted to give a shout out to Vacuum Lover 14KP. He is one of my best friends, and he is the only friend I need in this community. I always had you guys too, but the only vacuum friend I need is him. I'm no longer friends with any other people. I'm just tired of all the drama and fakeness. So I've had enough, and yeah. So if you don't see content from me for a long while, you'll know why. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. I also refurbished this thing about a month ago. It had been several months since I had refurbished it. I washed the filters. I vacuumed with it in my garage. And it picked up stuff. But it was really clean. And it looked really good. It was shiny. My original filter. I do plan on changing that. The one I'm getting is customized. It's modified into a Powerforce bagless, but it also has the regular parts. I did put a new brush roll in it because the other one seized up, and this one has good bristles. The other one was pretty short. Sorry about my stutter. And learned I have a little bit of a speech problem, but that's not what this video is about. But yeah, and yeah, also again, shout out to Vacuum Lover. Keegan is a really good friend. So, people don't like him, but whoever else can just fuck off for all I care. So yeah. Anyways, let's get on with vacuuming. If you hear a little bit of noise, it's because the brush roll is readjusting. Because this is not the right brush roll. Hopefully this is faced right. I think it is. Guess I didn't steal it all the way. Also, the belt was replaced 7 months ago, so it's been sitting for 6 months. So it's starting to be a little stretched. attachments. Got a lot of section. Not good enough power. Just enough. Accidentally shut it off. Yeah, turn Scratches a little bit. It's not the right one. Ooh. Okay. Smell the belt. Yeah. Got a good amount. And yes, I know the pull option was to use a shark rotator. I will be vacuuming the deck with the rotator, so don't worry. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, thanks. Remember to subscribe. You don't have to. Like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. Subscribe for more content. And yeah, more vacuums to come soon. Pretty interesting ones. And yeah, we'll talk to you later. Bye.